This quick guide shows how to install the Ergo grips and the full protection case. Once installed, you'll enjoy greater comfort while holding the Ally X, along with full device protection. Handle with care and work in a well-lit room. Open the box and you'll see the full contents of the protection and Ergo kit. Looking at the little box, you'll find the tools needed for installation. A set of mini screws, a set of longer screws, a screwdriver, and a prying tool. The left and right Ergo grips come partially installed for easier setup. Finally, there's a back protective plate if you want to convert the set into a full Ergo and protective case for extra safety. First, locate the two screws at the bottom left and right of the Ally X. Use the included screwdriver to remove them. Insert the grip and make sure all the locks clip together. Next, take the long screws and secure the right. Then, left grip. Tighten firmly but not too tight. Finally, take the smaller screws and insert two behind each Ergo grip, then tighten them. And there you have it. The Ergo grips are now installed and ready to use. Enjoy the super comfortable grip that feels like holding a real controller. This setup is perfect for home gaming. You can convert the Ally X to full case protection anytime to shield the entire back. Simply hook the top of the back plate onto the Ally X and push the bottom into place. Now your device is fully protected against scratches, dust, water, and drops. Combined with the Ergo grips, this is arguably one of the most comfortable cases currently on the market, and that's something we can confidently guarantee. Once you've tried it, you won't want to go back to other cases or just the Ally alone. The following section teaches you how to remove the case correctly. First, remove the back plate by flipping the Ally X over, lifting the bottom tab, and pulling it back. Next, remove the long screws at the bottom left and right of the device, followed by the two smaller screws on each Ergo grip. Take the prying tool and insert it into the slit between the Ally X and the grip. Wiggle it until the grip loosens, then repeat for the other side. Take your time and do this carefully to avoid any damage to your Ally or the Ergo case. Reinsert the long screws back into the Ally X, and that's it. You've successfully removed the grips. We currently offer limited Venom Green and Orange Blaze Ergo grip versions, and the installation process is exactly the same. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using the grips as much as we do. See you soon!